Right then, I hope you're all doing well. What we're going to cover this week as part of our autumnal vegetarian dishes, an absolutely fantastic recipe from the Ottolenghi Simple Cookbook. I'm going to cover the pappardelle with rose harissa, black olives and capers. And then this is what it should look like. This is an absolutely superb dish. Lots of flavour, lots of texture. You need your pappardelle pasta. I've got this 500 grams olive oil, decent capers, some premium black olives, rose harissa, some parsley, 400 grams of some premium decent cherry tomato, along with a large or 2 small onions, which we're going to finely dice. Either a frying pan, but I'm going to use a wok here. I'm going to fry off the onions, and then a pan to boil the pasta. Then to finally garnish this and add some flavour, nice grated eatlean cheese, which is the tasty version. This is the reduced half-fat cheddar cheese, which I've grated a small amount, which we're going to add on over the top. Like so. And finally garnish with some parsley. So here we have the pappardelle rose harissa with capers and black olives. Absolutely superb. Look at that. Really, really healthy dish. Very, very comforting and warming for these times. Don't forget to look at all my other YouTube videos. Really hope you're loving the show. Please do subscribe. Enjoy.